steps down 110 kilovolts to 33 kilovolts. After 3 days offline, it's livened up with a surge of energy.
120 MVA.
Crafted in 1980, the EMD-RL 306 unleashes a mighty 3,600 horsepower from its V16 heart. Fueled by the legendary 645 F3 engine, this Australian locomotive thunders to life, ready for an exhilarating journey. Lands Bulldog 5006, a 1956 D-Series tractor, uses a 6.2-liter hot bulb engine for 50 horsepower, cold starting at 5 degrees Celsius without its exhaust manifold. This custom pulse jet, delivering 7 kilograms of thrust, powers a Delta Wing model to 405 kilometers per hour, using a valveless design for intense, fiery performance. Continental R670, a 1940s W679A radial, delivers 240 horsepower with 7 cylinders, recorded at Park Farm, Thorney on June 12, 2022 for a Buffalo LVT. This bespoke Harley-Davidson rumbles with a 700cc Yanmar diesel engine, churning out 20 horsepower from its single-cylinder sole. Unveiled at a rally, it captivates with its raw, rugged allure. Black Widow, a 2010 Ahoy USA Titan, roars with 4 572 cubic inch V8 engines, unleashing a colossal 8,000 horsepower. This 4.5-ton beast reigns supreme in the tractor pull class, driven by sheer untamed power. Belinder's 1910 two-cylinder hot bulb semi-diesel with 30 horsepower at 300 revolutions per minute showcases its 5-liter displacement at Mystic Seaport's Antique Engine Expo. Boeing's B-17G, a 1943 World War II bomber, runs 4 Wright R-18-20-97 radials at 1,200 horsepower each, starting for a breathtaking takeoff and flyover. Caterpillar's 1955 D7, a 9U series bulldozer, runs a 74-horsepower D339 diesel with pony motor start, revived in Montana's forests after decades. Ruston Hornsby 9HRC, a 1939 two-cylinder diesel, delivers 114 horsepower with 12-liter displacement, starting up as Sweden's only unit at Skittorp's museum. Harley-Davidson's 1946 Knucklehead, a 61 cubic inch V-twin, produces 40 horsepower with overhead valves, a post-World War II icon starting up outside a vintage dealership. Fordson Major Diesel, a 1953 tractor, runs a 4-cylinder, 3.6-liter engine with 40 horsepower, cold starting after years in the wild using starting fluid. Krupp's M422, a 1930s Junkers licensed 4-cylinder opposed piston diesel, delivers 120 horsepower with 6.5 liters, firing up after a meticulous rebuild. Norfolk and Western 611, a 1950 Class J 484, generates 5,100 horsepower with a 300 psi boiler, a restored icon of steam power. During the 2016 Blue Ridge Special, it gripped the rails at Old Fort.